Hi everybody, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that I styled this denim dress. So I got this denim dress from Primark. I believe it was $21. I'm really excited about this purchase because I think it's great for the summer. It's also really cool for vacation, and the fact that I could style it 5 ways is also a plus. So to start out, I am putting on these espadrilles. I believe that's what they're called. These are super comfy. They're great for walking. I also take them everywhere when I'm traveling because of how cute they are and comfortable. Like a double plus for me. And I decided to add this necktie scarf just to jazz it up. Paired it with my mustard box bag, and I'm good to go. Looks like I'm going on a date in the park or something like that. So for the second look, I wanted to pair it with a graphic tee, my sassy t-shirt. I left the front open, and I am going to tie this to the back just to give the look. Tie it from the back to the front to give it a little look. I have my red cowgirl kind of boot, and who doesn't love denim on denim? I think you can always add more denim to your outfit. It just kind of jazzes it up. Anyway, so for this next look, I'm gonna make the dress into kind of like a cape vest, I guess you could say. I'm gonna leave the front open like that. I have my dad's sneakers and this distressed DIY denim jacket that I did. I think it's a casual look, very comfortable, but still super stylish. And if I wanted to dress this look up a little bit, all I would do is have to put on some heels. I'm going to turn the belt around, and I have a completely different look. So for this last look, I'm going to turn the belt back to the way that it was originally styled. And I paired it with some heels to just dress it up a little bit. Opened up that button to make the split a little higher, and I have this sheer kimono and a black bag. Just something a little dressier if you're going to brunch, or honestly I would wear this to dinner in the summertime just to change up the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment if you like videos like this. If you're interested in sticking around, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!